summer strawberries are coming to an end now. I'm picking the last of this year's crop. They've done really well. They've been fruiting now since late May, early June, and the final couple of fruits are ready to pick. And after that, really, it's a matter of cutting back all this foliage to allow the growth to start again. So pick the final fruits and cut the strawberries right down to close to ground level. Just leave a leaf or two, and those plants will reshoot again within a couple of weeks and give you fantastic fruit again next summer. By cutting them back now, you're removing any damaged or slight disease that might be on the leaves and encouraging lots of new growth. So all strawberries, once the fruit has been harvested, it's time to cut them back until this time next year.